Let us find out, what did teacher Nikki do yesterday?
Hi, I'm Teacher Nikki. I was very busy yesterday. I was at the hospital to visit my friend Rashi. The hospital was crowded. There were people waiting for the lift. Rashi was behind a curtain. She was ill. The doctors were treating her. Her son was happy. He was playing with toys. The pharmacy was crowded. There were so many people. Ugh, I was tired. I slept in class. Did you learn the use of was and were? To learn more such phrases and vocabulary in English, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Now you make sentences with was and were and write in the comment section.